Programming TIS dimmers is very similar to programming relays, with just a few differences. First, locate the dimmer module in the device list and open it by double-clicking. In the General Information section, enter the device comment, for example, ground floor, D. Both dimmers and relays allow you to enable or disable manual programming. By default, it is enabled, which lets the installer pair switches without the software. However, we recommend always disabling it once programming of the project is complete. You can also view the module's working status, monitor its temperature, and check each output to see whether it's operating normally or if there's a short. In the dimming settings section, you can select for each load whether it is compatible with a trailing edge or leading edge dimmer. Go to the Channels tab and press Comments. Write the comment for each channel according to where the load is connected, and select the room where this load is located. You can press the test button to test the dimmer on or off. If you are alone on the project and cannot find the light, you can start testing the channel by pressing the Start Test button. The light will begin flashing on and off so you can walk around the project to locate it. Once you find it, press Stop Test and write the light comment. Lower limit. This sets the minimum level for the dimmer, ensuring it does not dim below this value. It helps prevent flickering in certain loads that can occur if the output goes too low. Higher limit. This sets the maximum voltage the dimmer will output. Use this option if you want to prevent a load from reaching 100% brightness in specific areas. Scene. You can create a special scene such as Scene 1 to turn channels in the dimmer to different level. Press Scene Resume to configure the Restore After Blackout setting. You can set it to Scene 0. This means all channels will turn off when power is restored after a blackout. Set it to Scene 1 or any other scene to turn on specific lights. Or choose the third option to resume lights based on their last known status. Energy section. You can enter the wattage consumption for each channel. This allows the module to calculate the daily and monthly energy consumption of each channel when it is turned on. Repeat the same settings for each dimmer module. Everything you have configured in the dimmers will be added automatically to the project database. You can view all settings by selecting Project Config and checking all the channels assigned under each room.